bit of an addendum to my previous video that I have a link to in the details. So I wanted to go a little more slowly here. So when the user selects the employee, whoops, that's too many. Let's type some more letters. Okay, we're going to choose Clara Smith, and now we're filtering on the one. So now we've filtered here, and we're only seeing this one employee. Now I want to, excuse me, I want to select some of these columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. Apply. Now for this one selected employee, I'm seeing, or this one filtered employee, actually filtered. Select would be something different. Select would mean I would select this and this line would turn blue. And then we can do fun things with the selection set based on this menu at the top, such as export to a CSV file. But this is a filter. So I filtered on this one employee, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns I'm showing here, and this icon changes to show that I'm only showing these 4 columns. And then if I go back in here and I say I want to show all columns and apply, then I see them all. So I wanted to make that adjustment, and thanks.